Alright guys, so I got the Thinkcar TK 101 key programmer in for the Thinkcar 689BT. Before we open it, let's just take a look at the back here. It says it's small and durable, 4 typical anti-theft modes, supports 8,000 plus vehicles, and application width of super chips. So let's get this out of the box. I'm assuming the first thing it's going to have us do is update it, but we will take a look and see what it comes with. Got a little user guide here, kind of talking about what it comes with. Not exactly sure what those are, maybe chips. This is the super chip. USB-C to USB-A adapter. Of course, you got the programmer itself right here. It is USB-C. It's got a USB-C port on the side. That USB-C port is going to be for this programming cable. On some remotes, I'm not sure, I can't remember what the instructions said, you're going to plug the remote in to this cable to program the remote. And then of course you got 6 different. All the remotes look decent, they look good. Not sure if I like the TK little emblem there, but they all feel good. None of them comes with the blade installed. So if you have a car that requires a blade, then you're not going to be able to have one cut for any of these remotes. No blade in that one either. Anyway, I'm assuming as soon as I hook this up, the first thing it's going to have me do is update it. So I'll show you that. Connect it to the USB port. We do have a light. And, you know, just to see if it would even work without being updated, we'll hit a button. Latest update, read transponder. Okay, it looks like that. And I don't know if we could read this one right here or not. Okay, it did read it. Let's see if it'll read. I've got our old BMW key right here. And it did read it. Now it does say it's locked, but it does say clonable. So I'm assuming I could clone another one of these to work. Let's see if our new BMW, if it would read it. And it does. Now this one is unclonable. It is locked. Let's see what more says. Okay, no more data. Okay, so that's good to know that it is reading those. Frequency detection. I'll check that out. I'm going to hit a button. Not see anything happen there. Not see anything happen there. Let's go ahead and do the update and we'll press on with this. Okay, so key programming update, it's all up to date. That's the main software that's on the tablet, but there is a firmware update and remote database update. So we'll go ahead and update both them. Now this is the firmware update that's going to be going into the remote, or into the actual programmer. Okay, firmware upgraded successfully. Now we'll do the database update. All right, so we're all up to date. Let's go back, just out of curiosity. We're going to see if we can read this again, just to see if it gives us the same information, and it does. Unclonable. I'm having a hard time figuring out how to program a new key for this 2019 X3. Let's go back. Let's try the frequency again. Nothing there. I grab my other remote here. Oh, there we go. 314. Pretty cool. Why? Now this may be dead. We've had this in the drawer for quite a few years now. There's not a battery in it. It's actually inductive. Whenever you plug this into the BMW, it actually inductively charges a capacitor in here. So it's probably dead. This one here I would think would work though, but for some reason it is not picking this up. Nonetheless, ignition switch coil. So whenever you do the ignition switch coil, if you're wanting to check the coil, that whenever you put your key in the ignition switch, you can hold this up to the switch, hit start detect, and it will tell you if your coil is actually good or not. So that's a nice feature to have. Set type of super chip. There's all your different super chip IDs. Set type of wireless remote. Let's just click one. We're going to use the remote function. Detect remote. I don't know if I need to push a button or just hold it up to it. Okay, remote failure detect. Let's see. Detect remote, remote failure detection, smart key clone, Toyota smart key setting, smart key customization, garage door key customization. Unlock Toyota smart key, search. What's search? Oh. Let's just put in our 2019. Now, unfortunately, I don't have anything to program right now. Enter brand, model, or chip to search. Nothing. So I guess these are all the BMWs that you can do. So that type of key right there. Update date. All remotes. I guess as time goes on, they will add more and more functions to this. So let's just put in F-150 13. Just curious what year. Raptor. Got that Raptor key. Looks an awful lot like that one right there. A little different on the button. This key type is a TN wireless or TE wireless. And whenever you look here, it's got TK wire type, TE wireless type, TN wireless type, smart key type remote. So there's TE, TN, and TK. This will take a TN or a TE wireless. So that's pretty good. Even the F-150 2015 to 2024, same remote. I don't know what else, what other cars to put in here to check, but you get the point. Let's go over here to American. I'll just do Chevrolet. Do Camaro. There's all the remotes that you could do for different Camaros. 2010 to 2016, which we had a 2013, 2010 to 2019, and 2016 to 2019. Smart key, smart key. This one was not a smart key. Yeah, as far as the X3, 04 to 05 is all that you can do there. I'll go back to BMW for a minute. Anyway, this is just an overview of the key programming options that the Thinkcar 689BT has with their key programmer. I do plan on programming a key the first chance I get. So as soon as that opportunity comes up, we'll program a key and see how it works. You guys take care.